Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So we're going to go over and open up the settings app. Here, scroll down to sound and vibration and make sure that media volume is not muted all the way down. So this is where we want to check the volume levels. Now what are we going to do is we're going to clean the speaker grill. So we got one at the top here and we got one at the bottom. We want to clean them thoroughly. We want to make sure that there's nothing inside of them. There's no dust, no debris, no lint, no nothing. And after cleaning them, what we want to do is we want to make sure that audio is not rerouted. So we're going to go to Bluetooth and we want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. So the switch is gray, you don't see any available devices and etc. What are we going to do after that is we're simply going to update our software to fix the speaker that's not working. So we're going to go over into settings. Now go to INFINIX Note 60 Pro, click on check for updates, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I can simply recommend you updating. It's very important because you want to make sure that there's no glitches. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.